We're Pia and Sean with our 3 dogs, and welcome to our van life. We're in Canada, traveling from Vancouver to Kelowna. Join us as we navigate this journey with a broken battery system and change our plans. We're happy to be here, and we thank you all for watching.
Welcome to Canada.
This is day 2 out camping. We are driveway camping. We do have plug-in available thanks to Pia's brother, and we are doing some coffee, charging up, and enjoying some beautiful Canadian weather and hospitality. So might be a little short on the updates here while we're with family, but we'll keep you up to date once we move back into full camping mode with hookups soon, and we get laundry too. Barnston Island Ferry. We're about to take the van over some old school ferry. Wow. We're on the ferry. This is cool. All free to residents, huh? On the Fraser River. Station. There's some old school ferry. So we have to back off on this side on the island and then back on. So we all just backed on this puppy.
Are in Barnston Island here in Surrey.
Just took a really old school style ferry, held about 4 to 5 cars. Had no problem with the van, said it's a limit of 40 tons. So we're good to go there. And we're exploring the perimeter. Now we're going into the park. Ancestral homeland of the Katsi people. Unauthorized RVs will be towed. vehicles must back up onto ferry.
This is free ferry. No payment required.
Looks like it operates until 11:50 p.m. Sheesh.
So basically, we just circled the entire island. We were gonna go to the park, but there is no parking. So we just circled around. Turn the boat fast.
This is the Fraser River. So this is a second style of ferry.
Oh, we're just crossing.
Yes. Pia, what did you think we were doing?
We were going down the river, but
Oh, she wants to go down the river. Okay.
we're just
Maybe
across
next
the river.
maybe next time we'll go down the river. How about that? We'll get our own little ferry.
That's cool.
Nope, we're going right over there. Most people just park over here and bike or walk around, but we don't have any bikes, so we did a little drive around the island. It's a big island, lots of farms and stuff.
That's it. We're here. It only took like 2 seconds. Doggies enjoyed that ferry ride, the 2-second ferry ride.
What you doing?
We are here in Kelowna. So we left Vancouver a few hours ago, said goodbye to my family. We spent 3 days when we arrived here in Vancouver just hanging out with my parents, my brother, and his family, and didn't really go anywhere because I just wanted to just spend time with them. So now it is Wednesday of our 2-week vacation, and we made a decision to get up here to Kelowna, which is like 4 hours away from Vancouver. So we're gonna spend the night here and then see some lakes and then head on to Penticton the next day and spend a day there as well before we head on to Idaho, to Priest Lake. And we wanted to show you guys what has happened with our Volta, but basically our Volta is not working. Volta is not charging when we're driving, but when we're hooked up to shore power, then our battery gets replenished. But when we're driving, it is not holding any charge, it's not getting any power. So we're going to Utah to Warner Vans to get it looked at and fixed. So the same thing that happened last year seems to be happening all over again. We don't know what is causing for the Volta to malfunction, but we're hoping that we can get answers because it seems like this is the second year in a row that this has happened. So we're not sure if it's weather related. So when it starts to get hot, we don't know if the wires are melting, but we will find out and keep you guys updated.
This is downtown Kelowna, Russell Park. And we're getting dinner at Beach House, which is a seafood spot.
So chihuahuas are currently situated while we're waiting for Sean to grab dinner. So we are getting some food to go before we head on to our next campground. And Kelowna is so beautiful. I don't think I've ever been here, but we'll show you guys more of what the place looks like.
The place is nice.
So what did you end up getting?
We got some bento box and hi honey. And we got some seafood chowder and some fish and chips and your braised short ribs. And it's a really beautiful little beach community down here. Lots of people biking. There's hotels with pools. Pretty fancy.
So it is about 4:20 in the afternoon. It's a nice warm 89 degrees here in Kelowna. We've had really wonderful weather the last few days that we've arrived here in Vancouver. We are excited to be here, but a little disappointed that our Volta is not working properly, but happy to be able to find a solution hopefully soon.